kindergartners, welcome back to Play-Doh with Yaya, and today we'll be making a bumblebee. So you're going to need two colors. I'm going to use this yellow for the body and the pink for the stripes, the antennas, and the wings. The first thing you're going to get is some of your Play-Doh and you're going to roll it into a ball. And then you're going to roll it forward to make an oval shape. Just like that. And then you're going to get some clay and you're going to roll it into a ball. You want to get it a different color, so this can be the wings. Then you want to roll this also for a little bit, and then you want to flatten it. And you're going to want to do that again for another piece of Play-Doh that is the same size. Just like that. And this is going to be the wings. So you just want to attach it. Now you're going to take another piece and you're going to roll it into a line. And you're going to make this for the stripes on the bee. And now you're going to put the stripes on the bee. And now we're going to make the antennas. So you're going to take two pieces of clay, you're going to roll them. You're going to take two pieces of Play-Doh and you're going to roll them into a ball, and then you're going to want to roll it out again. You can make it however long you want. I'm going to break this in half. And I'm going to attach it to the bee. Just like that. And now we're going to make the stinger. So you're going to want to take another piece of Play-Doh and you want to roll it into a ball, and then you want to roll it out. And you're going to want to roll out one side, so I can put my finger on half of it and roll it out, so that way it'll make it look like it has a point. And then you're going to attach it if you want, you can add some eyes. So I'm going to make 2 circles. As the eyes.
There are 3 types of bees. The queen runs the whole hive. Her job is to lay the eggs that will make the hive's next generation. The queen also makes chemicals that guide the behavior of the other bees. Then we have the workers. These are all female, and their roles are to look for food, for example, pollen and nectar from flowers, build and protect the hive, clean and circulate the air by beating their wings. Workers are the only bees most people ever see flying around outside the hive. Then we have the drones. Drones are the male bees or the boy bees. And a fun fact about them is they do not have a stinger. Bees are very important for our environment, so make sure you be careful with them.
Thank you for watching Play-Doh with Yaya. Next time we'll be making a McDonald's Happy Meal. Thank you.